push button, never needed a key. Ice ain't ready for me. Hot boys.
And the black and blue Kuitstra. Round one is brought to you by Dragon Energy Drink.
Oh, some nice right hands there for Becky. Oh, she's caught Emka. Rebecca continues to tag Emka. Some big shots. Outstanding boxer from Kampala. Goes high with a leg kick. Goes up to the head, does Rebecca Amongi after that. Nice knee up the middle inside the clinch. Continue the clinch battle. Emka thinking about the toss, but gets the takedown. And a beautiful amount of air does Becky Amongi. As she mounts Emka and Kuikstra looking for the finish, Cyrus.
Bouncing her head off of the canvas.
In her kickboxing as well as her top control and well. And she's finishing strong as Rebecca kicks to the thighs to a grounded opponent. Not letting her opponent get back up to her feet. Kicks to the thighs from Amongi. Craigie Valuathan wants them to stand up.
3 minutes to go here in round number 2. Still have our incredible bantamweight title bout just a few fights away.
Oh, some more shots from Amongi. Beautiful knee, and it's done.
Goodness, shut it down already.
Wow.
Shut it down. Uganda, stand up, be proud. Rebecca Amongi with an incredible performance.
She's so infectious, man. I love her attitude. This kid's special. She's got a spark inside her. She takes the Ugandan flag and parades it around the hexagon. Very impressive finish. Leaving the referee no chance whatsoever to stop the fight. I mean, it was just one-way traffic from the very first bell. And Kuikstra showing she's got true grit and true heart. You know, took a lot of punishment, but never quit. We've had some fighters on the prelims that, you know, verbally submitted and wilted under these strikes. Kuikstra didn't. She wouldn't tap, she wouldn't quit. She kept fighting, and the referee had to step in to prevent any further damage caused as a result of her own courage. But as for Rebecca Amongi, what a superb win. And I'm going to ask her what this means for women's mixed martial arts in Uganda, because it's not a sport that's particularly well known or highlighted in Kampala, and Ugandan fighters aren't given the platform that a lot of fighters in the EFC are given, and she deserves it. She deserves this win, and she's one to keep an eye on. What a superb fight for her.
100%. I can't wait to see her come back and take a look at that McCruger action replay and look at the damage that was being done. Emka just ate so many punches here this time around.
Declaring your winner by TKO due to strikes. In the red corner, the warrior, Rebecca Amongi.